decided to go upstairs to the Table Mountain using cable car. And, apparently I used cars last time in Poland in the Kochanie in 2020. So, and here we have great views as well, the Cape Town and the ocean. So, very beautiful pictures. Decided to use fast track. Apparently I'm the only one here, so either way everybody is too greedy, or I miscalculated something. Yeah, but so I'm at the top. I found some wind shadow, I hope, under the rock. And yeah, I can only recommend. So apparently this Table Mountains gives you 360 degrees view. I mean, not from a single point, of course, you need to walk around, but yeah, it's totally worth it. wind shadow. Just wanna stay here for a while. Sun get warm. The mountain is quite flat, and unlike Utah, Arizona, the stones are gray, so kind of familiar. There is a lot of plants like grass, different bushes, and views are amazing. And another important notice is that this is basically the end of the world. I mean, further there's only Antarctica. So I've reached the eastern part of the mountain. It's basically a landmark with a kind of a beacon there, and now I'm heading back. So luckily there is a wall here, so not so windy, so I can talk. Probably it will be possible to hear something, but yeah, it's an amazing experience. Now I'm taking a different route, and I see ocean very close, and it's so bright blue, and there are also this Cape Town Valley, and on the horizon another mountains. So this is a really exciting experience, and yeah, I'm really glad I did it. So behind these rocks we could see the airport. Obviously we don't see it right now. The conference is, I think, in those buildings, but probably it's too small to see anything here. So this is a downtown. I live in one of these tall buildings here, and that is a waterfront where I was taking this ride on a wheel. Stadium I probably built for the World Championship, Football World Championship, and this is my trail now. It becomes quite an adventure already. Тропиночка. И вот эта будка с кейбл-карами. So I'm really glad I bought these Kutze shoes back in San Diego, Nordstrom, I guess, correct? Nordstrom rack, yeah, discounted. because my trekking boots left behind in Seattle. Yeah, because of the luggage capacity issues. But yeah, those are really great with this kind of trek, so they perform perfectly. So in the end, the wind becomes so strong, so they suspended the service and alarmed via air raid alarm the people on top that they have to go all to the car cable station, and I had to wait for 1 hour there because of the amount of people. Yeah, obviously they all suddenly needed to return, and the wind is, yeah, it's really strong. I mean, I don't know if it's seen on the camera or not, but it's kind of shakes the car. So unfortunately I won't be able to go anywhere today anymore. I was thinking about visiting the Contemporary Art Museum, but yeah, maybe other day, or anyway we will come back, because yeah, it's really nice here. I really love it, and I also now can enjoy the downtown in the sunset from the car, and yeah, warm a little bit.